Hey guys, as you all know, I have recently shifted to one of the most happening and most beautiful cities in the Northeast, Shillong. So today, come along with me as I take you on a little journey from my room to my workplace. And trust me, the way is like walking through a dream. So it's all playing full cherry blossoms, fresh breeze, and nature everywhere. Every morning feels like a cinematic moment. So चलो आज मैं तुम्हें मेरा रोज का रास्ता दिखाती हूँ. Enjoy the views, feel the vibe, and welcome to my new Shillong life. See you soon.